Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome to the market map. We'll plan out for this week and also we'll share a big picture view of where the markets are. Okay, for the big picture view, if you see, we'll look at the daily charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So to start with Nifty, this is the yearly profile for Nifty. If you see this, okay, this is the yearly profile for Nifty, and this is the sort of the monthly profile for the month of May that has gone by. Okay, so Nifty clearly above the yearly value area zones here that they have created, and also the previous month value area zone. So Nifty is clearly above that. So until we continue to hold above these levels, which is about 200 150, we would expect a bullish continuation above these zones. Okay, in case it falls below, and for an immediate basis could be around this level, which is around 250 300. Then we could expect a rotation back to this. But overall, if you see, this is the clear LVN on Nifty, that is around 15020 levels. Okay, so 15,000 15,050 is the zone of inflection for this year at this point, where staying above that, market should continue to show a bullish bias or a bullish rotation. Okay, so that is sort of the big picture view for Nifty, and this is your sort of line in sand where if this breaks, the market view will change. As of now, that is the current context for Nifty. Coming to the weekly charts on Nifty, if you see, we have created a constantly value has been shifting higher on Nifty. So we look for at this point, the 300 areas to be defended, 300 to 50 areas to be defended for this week. Okay, so any push to here would look to for a pullback trade for a bullish bias on an immediate basis. I'm looking for yesterday's or Friday's low to hold, and for a bullish continuation. If at all, if you break below and hold below the value area Friday, we can look for a push lower to 395 and 350 areas. Okay, that's the plan for Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, yeah. So Bank Nifty has a very different profile compared to Nifty for the year. Okay, if you see, there's a clear distinction if the way Bank Nifty and Nifty is holding, and it shows that why Nifty is, continues to be relatively way stronger till this point. Okay, so that's a good and bad sign where Bank Nifty has a lot of things to catch up from. Okay, what Bank Nifty has done over the last week, or mainly is that it has really now pushed higher above this low volume node area. Okay, so this becomes a very key inflection point for Bank Nifty, which is approximately 35,000 levels at this point. 35, yeah, I would say this is roughly, yeah, this level, 34 500 areas. Okay, so if you see, this was distinct LV, and where Bank Nifty in the past has sort of failed to cross too many times and now has breached above. So once we broke this level, we failed here, we failed here, we failed here, we failed here, and now we've broken above these levels. Okay, so so this area 34 500 is going to be a very strong support for Bank Nifty for the up move to continue. Okay, and what we have done is we have sort of now pushed inside this high volume node. Okay, so my expectation is until we sort of hold this range, we are looking to move to 36 500 for the coming week or the next few sessions essentially. Okay, and until we hold the 35,000 35 100 areas at this point. Okay, so so initially my view would be to continue to be bullish if we, let's say, hold my Friday's lows, okay, on Bank Nifty, which is 35 100. Okay, else we look for a rotation up to 800 850 at the max, and then and then continue to be bullish for a test of 36 300 areas. Okay, there I see a lot of resistance, which is there in around 36 500 on Bank Nifty, and I'm expecting if you tag anywhere between 36 300 500 region, we would continue to see a rotation there. Okay, from a Bank Nifty point of view, that is the primary plan for Bank Nifty for this week and coming days essentially, at least at this point. Okay, so defense of 35 100, look to test 36 300 areas at this point. Okay, yep. I think the charts have gone a bit hoary, but that's the plan. More on the, we'll keep posting more details on the forum as well. Thank you.